Sengezo Shabangu opandukira bato reZANU-PF panguva yekupedzisira yekupusha the so-called 2030 agenda, apo Shabangu puts pressure on ZANU-PF as CAP 3 faces new uncertainty. Kusangana kwatinoita zvakare pana YouTube channel yenyu Magaba News patinobata nhau dzinenge dzichiitika munharaunda nemunyika yedu yeZimbabwe, tichiti kana pane vachangosvika pano paMagaba News ndiwo mukana wekubaya button rakanzi subscribe. Zuva ranhasi tauya takabata nyaya iri kubva mumashoko ekuzivisa kuti Sengezo Shabangu orasira ZANU-PF kunze neurongwa hweCAB 3 uyu uri muparamende, apo paari achitaura paurongwa hwecaucus mureZimbabwe meeting yavari kutarisira kunzi meeting iyi vari kuda kuzogara pasi musi weTuesday unova uri musi wekutarisirwa kunzi musi weTuesday manheru, vakagara pasi vakasawirirana urongwa hweCAB 3 unenge wapa nguva yakaoma, sezvo ZANU-PF ida kusekiwa 2/3 majority and also ichiwana support kumasenators, ikashaya support kumasenators. Apa masenators ariko ndeye kuopposition yevaSengezo Shabangu. So vaShabangu vari kuti hatingangobvume kuti CAB 3 iende pasina ivo veZANU-PF nehurumende iripo isina kubvumawo agreement yatiri kuwirirana. Veruzhinji vofungidzira kuti vaShabangu vari kuvadzosa urongwa hwavaitaura unova uri urongwa hweGNU, Government of National Unity, yavaimobudisa vachitaura vaSengezo Shabangu. So nhau iyi yadzoswa mudariro mushure mekunge patomboonekwa maopposition MPs achisapota CAB 3 iyi vanga vari under Shabangu ban. So zvaita kuti veruzhinji vashamisike kuti achaita sei maopposition sezvo keymaster wavo akuita kakuda kuramba nezveCAB 3 iyi, kana kuti vaSengezo Shabangu havasati vatambidzwa mari yavakawirirana, pamwe ndizvo zvezvimwe zviri kuita kuti adzorere kumashure chiitiko cheCAB 3 ichi chiri kutarisirwa kunzi wiki rinori ZANU-PF irida kuchipasisa. So according to news maererano nechiitiko chekwaShabangu, a new political twist has emerged around Zimbabwe CAB 3 after a parliament caucus led by self-styled CCC Secretary General Sengezo Shabangu signaled that it may not automatically support the proposed change. Negotiation between Shabangu, a bloc, and ZANU-PF have reportedly reached a deadlock, creating a fresh uncertainty over the future of the bill. According to statement released through Shabangu's spokesperson Mulilo, the caucus have given ZANU-PF until midnight Tuesday to secure a political agreement. Failure to reach common ground could place the bill's progress in parliament at risk. The development highlighted the growing influence of Shabangu and the legislators aligned with him. While ZANU-PF maintain a strong majority in National Assembly, the ruling party still require additional support in the Senate to secure the 2/3 majority needed to pass constitutional amendment. Speaking through his spokesperson, Shabangu indicated that his caucus would not simply endorse the bill without meaningful discussion and concession. He emphasized that lawmakers in his group want a political settlement that they believe serves the broader national interest. Despite the disagreement, Shabangu acknowledged the conduct of the negotiations so far. He praised Justice Legal and Parliamentary Ministers Yambi Ziyambi and ZANU-PF Chief Whip Togarepi for handling the discussions professionally and respectful. However, the message from Shabangu was clear. The caucus insists it is not prepared to act merely as an extension of a ruling party resolution. According to Mulilo, the group wants genuine engagement and sincerely a political settlement before making a final decision on the bill. The deadline set by Shabangu team comes ahead of a crucial caucus meeting scheduled for Wednesday, June 10, where legislators aligned with him are expected to decide how their bill will vote on CAB 3. The caucus have warned that if no agreement is reached before the deadline, there could be implication for the parliament timetable surrounding the bill. This raised a question about whether the constitutional amendment process could face delay or additional political hurdles. What makes the latest development particularly noteworthy is that many Shabangu-aligned legislators has previously been among the most vocal supporters of the CAB 3 during the debate in the National Assembly. Their current position suggested that negotiation behind the scene have become increasingly important to the bill future. Political observer noted that Shabangu's bloc now occupies a strategic position in the parliament process by proportionally holding the balance of power needing in the Senate. The group has become a significant player in determining whether the amendments succeed or fail. While the details of the ongoing negotiation have not been made public, Shabangu in the spoken in favor of government of national unity, urging that Zimbabwe political and economic challenge require a broader cooperation among political actors. As the deadline of approach, attention is now focused on whether negotiators can reach a compromise. The outcome could have major implications for CAB 3 and the broader political landscape. For now, all eyes remains on the talks between Shabangu, Caucus, and ZANU-PF with the future of constitutional amendment in the balance. The coming days are expected to review whether a political settlement can be achieved or whether the bill will face a more difficult path through parliament. Ndizo nawo ziri kubuda, so Shabangu shakes ZANU-PF CAB 3 faces collapse after deadline threats. Muri Zimbabwe ndizo nawo ziri kubuda, ndizvo zvimwe zviri kutenderedza munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. So Shabangu ouya achida kuti aiwa tikuda kutanga tabvumirana paagreement, so apa deadline kuti mukasaita zvatawirirana kusvika musi wakati CAB 3 hapana kwai kuenda, ende madays amuri kuda kuti tigare tapedza hazvitomoite. What's your take on this issue? Ndidzo news dzatiri tikabata pano pa YouTube channel yenyu Magaba News.